everybody. How are you? Just checking. How are you doing? Oh God, it's almost April, huh? Time goes so quickly. So tell to all the people that you love them. Tell to all the people that you care them, that you see them, you appreciated them, you acknowledge them, and if they need help, you're gonna be there. So enjoy life, enjoy what you're doing, and remember, make yourself priority, take care of yourself, believe yourself, trust yourself, and as I always said, you are worth it, you are enough, you matter always, and never give up, never quit, never surrender, because whatever you're going through, facing through right now, Almighty God will never give you that you cannot handle. You are strongest, toughest, resilient than you thought. So take a break. It's okay to scream. It's okay to cry. It's okay to yell. Rest. And then go outside. Do something you love. Treat yourself. Date yourself. And pray. And then take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. And then connect within your heart. All the answer you're looking, seeking is always within you. And remember, every problem, there's always a solution. And to really solve your problem, go on the root of the problem. Then, boom, you will say, oh, that's the root of the problem. I got the answer. It's always within my heart. So, take care, okay? I love you. Peace. And keep on smiling. And I'm praying for you, whoever you are. And I can feel you. And I meditate and pray before I made this video. And whoever find this video, there's no coincidence. Everything is connected. And remember, Almighty God always works mysterious way. Okay? Love you. Bye. Keep on smiling.